So I've been on Scratch for almost 10 years now, and I've created a lot of games. More specifically, 124 of them. But that also means that I have a lot of unreleased games. And today, I'm going to be playing some of my unreleased Scratch games from several years ago. So let's get started. Alright, so the first game that we have here is called Undertale Battle. And I created this back in 2016. That was when everyone was playing Undertale, so of course I had to create an Undertale style Scratch game. So let's try it out. Alright, so this is my custom battle which I created. I also drew this character myself, but let's just try fighting it. Alright. And I have to dodge these attacks. Cool. Okay, let me try fighting again. Okay, dealt some damage. And we have different attacks every time, as you can see. Okay, nice. And of course, I also created different options, just like in the real Undertale game. So I'm going to act, and I'm gonna try pleading. Okay, so you cry out for help, no response. Okay. And there is a new attack. Have to dodge these. Oops, took some damage. Okay. Alright, let me try fighting again. And there is no attack. Okay, I think those were the 3 attacks which I created. I did not finish this game, as you can tell, but I did make some good progress. I'm not sure if the other stuff works. Yep, they do not work properly at the moment. Let me try Mercy. Nope, okay. This Mercy button does not work. But yeah, this was my Undertale game which I created several years ago. Alright, moving on to the next project. It's called Wogue. I'm sure this is a filler name, but yes, I created this in 2017, so a year after I created the Undertale game, and let's just try it out. So, I start off with this backstory, this little character with a dog. Okay, dog runs away, and we chase after the dog, and then it cuts to a scene of the dog jumping in front of a bone. But then we have the Grim Reaper and takes the dog from us. And we chase after that dog. We ignore the bone. And yeah, so that was our mini cutscene, and then we are in the game. So this is a platformer game. And we try to go to the edge to go to the next level and hopefully reclaim our dog. So we got these spikes here that we have to watch out for. Alright. And we have this little flying thing, so let's try going to it. And we have a new cutscene, so we ask where the dog is. The thing says the dog is turning into meat, and the Grim Reaper is gonna eat it. Obviously we don't like that, but can't get past. And we go into a battle cutscene. So this is the part where I stopped working on the game, but if I remember, I was planning on doing some sort of flying battle where we're sort of in the air and then we're trying to dodge the monster's attacks. And then if we manage to defeat the monster, then we go back to the platforming game and then eventually fight different monsters and reclaim our dog. But yeah, that was that game. Alright, so the next game is called Boss Battle. And I actually shared this back in 2017. As you can see, it had some views, but I ended up unsharing it. But let's try playing it. So we start off with this character, and this is the boss. So let me just try easy mode. Alright, as you can see, we are a heart, and we have to dodge the character's attacks. So this is sort of like a bullet hell game, where you have a ton of attacks on the screen, and you're trying to dodge all of the boss's attacks while attacking the boss. Alright, now we're in the second phase of attacks. So, okay, we have a lot of these falling cherry blossoms, and they are actually going to explode. Okay, I have to dodge these. And on to the last phase of the boss battle. So Let's see what this is. Okay, so we have these green leaves and this really slow ball coming at us. And these leaves bounce. So that's extra difficult. This is easy mode, by the way, so... But yeah, and the boss is defeated. So that was easy difficulty, by the way, so let's try insane difficulty. So as you can tell, it is much faster. There's also a lot of new attacks that are going on. Even I can't beat this reliably, so I might lose very quickly. Alright, we got to the second phase, but a lot of my health is already gone. Alright, these attacks are super fast compared to easy mode. I'll try to survive. Alright, I am doing reasonably well. I'm pretty surprised at myself, actually. But, okay, third phase. Let's see. Okay, this seems pretty similar to easy difficulty, but we have a lot more balls coming at us. Okay, this is actually pretty difficult. Not much space to work with here. Oh no, am I gonna lose? Yep, I lost. And that's the game over. But yeah, that was this project. Alright, moving on. Okay, so the next project is called Dungeon Keepers 2. So I created Dungeon Keepers 1 a while ago. It was pretty popular, so I decided to create a sequel. This was created in 2017, and let's just try it out. So we have this key. Now we are in a cave, and we have to fight these bosses. So I'm going to fight this one. This is just one difficulty, so let me try it out. Alright, we have this campfire, and it looks pretty angry, and it is attacking us, so let's try dodging the attacks. Alright, so far, not too bad. We just have to keep on shooting the campfire, and now it's going to move on to its second attack phase. Alright, now it's shooting fireballs at us, so still pretty easy though. These fireballs are pretty slow, so we can dodge them and keep chipping away at its health. And okay, we have defeated the boss. So that boss is done, and now the fire is sad. Oh no. Let's move on to the second boss. So this is difficulty 2 out of 5. So let's try it out. We got this big cleaver, alright. And it is swinging at us, so we have to dodge that. Great. And it also moves towards where we last were, so ideally I'd want to move towards the top of the screen so that I can shoot at it while it's attacking, just like that. Okay, now it's going really fast downwards. This is definitely harder than the first boss. Alright, we might actually lose, surprisingly, but I'll try harder now, so... Okay, now we're on to the third phase of the attack, so it's spinning around just like that, and we just have to dodge it while it's spinning. I am at low health though, so I can't afford any mistakes. Alright, back to the first attack, and we are about to beat it, so just a few more attacks and we should be good. Nice! We defeated the second boss, and now it is defeated just like that. Okay, now on to the third boss. This is 3 out of 5 difficulty, and it's a pan full of vegetables. Let's see what it does. Alright. Oh, vegetables are shooting out of it. There's definitely a lot going on, so I have to keep track of where the vegetables are falling. Not bad so far. We're on to the second phase. Okay, it's still shooting. And I remember there was another phase, but I don't think I coded that in right, so it just had that one phase. But yeah, that was part of what the third boss was. And now moving on to this one, this is where I did not finish the game, but this was the fourth boss. It was this card, and I just had that animation and the card moving around. So that's part of the fourth boss. But yeah, that was the Dungeon Keepers 2 game. So moving on. Alright, so the last game I'm going to be showing you all today is this one. So this was created in 2015, and let's try it out. So it's this platformer I have here, and we try to move along and reach the door over here, just like a normal platformer, pretty standard. But we also have a health bar and power bar. So let's see how to use those. Alright, and we have these enemies now. So if we press space, then we shoot, but that also uses some of our power. So if we can dodge these enemies, then I'm not going to shoot at them. Just like that. Alright, save some of the power, but I can also regain some power by going over these like battery things. And also, the purple blocks are extra springy, so I jump extra high through those. Okay, let me try collecting this power. Nice. Go down. Cool. Dodge them all. And go to the next level. Okay, so now we have these things. So these drop down from above, and I believe they have infinite health, so I can't destroy them. But let's just ignore these and go to the next level. So, alright. Go past these and onto the next. Cool. Now we're on to the next level. We got some more enemies that we have to destroy. Alright. And I'm going to go up and go to the next level. And that was it. So those were all the levels that I had for now. I believe I was making some sort of boss fight in this level, but I never got around to finishing it. But yeah, that was this game. But anyways, those were some of my unreleased Scratch games that were just sitting in my account over the course of several years. To be honest, I totally forgot about these games, but playing them again was super nostalgic and brought back a ton of good memories. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I do have many more unreleased Scratch projects which I would love to show you all, so let me know if you want a part 2 in the comments below. But anyways, that's it for this video. See ya!